Morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of the Burton Life. So, me and Leslie were up really late last night working on the flooring of the boat. We'll throw a few clips in somewhere here.
Let me see what's inside it.
The camo pattern that they sent me is called Camo Jungle. You can find this stuff on Amazon. I will leave the link to their website in the description, as well as their Amazon page and some links that you can find it. They make this stuff in all different kinds of colors, different patterns, so you can get other stuff other than just this. We're going to get just the main flooring done tonight. We're going to try to get the other part of the flooring done. We'll see how that goes. So, what it is this is that EVA foam from Ocean Broad Flooring. They've got different patterns, different styles, different colors for all kinds of different applications. Oceanbroad.com will link the description, or we'll link the website down in the description, or Leslie will, or she'll put it somewhere on the screen somewhere. But what we're going to do is we're just going to get this lined up, get the line drawn on it where it needs to be cut it, get it stuck down, and then we're going to go to the next piece and do the same thing. You guys just stay with us.
It needs to come over this way. Because we're going right to the edge, right?
I had a Sharpie out here, and I don't know what
Probably the same place your tape measure goes every time. Oh. I think so. I've never met a man that loses his tape measure as much as he does. It's hilarious. Did you set it down in the boat?
No.
Seems to be where I find everything else lately.
We'll save this piece and use it for the top of one of the benches.
How in the world was that?
Camo pattern that they sent us. It's a Camo Jungle, I think is what it's called. But they've got some really cool different colors and patterns, and even a couple different designs. Okay, so we're going to put a piece down on this real quick. Let's just shut out. And then we gotta run inside and check on the babies. One of them's waking up. So we're gonna put this down, and the way we've got it, we're going to, since it's going on wood, we're going to roll over the edges instead of making the cuts the same shape of the board. We want everything to roll over just to give us some added protection of it adhering better. So let's go ahead and do that now. Okay, so we're back out here. You can tell, yes, there is already a piece put down. That is our fault. We stopped it because the babies started getting really fussy before we could even get the first piece put on. And when we came back out, I thought I hit record and I didn't. So that's my fault. But we're going to get this last piece put on tonight, and we're going to be done until tomorrow probably, so we can get inside and get to bed because it's getting late. So let's get this other piece put on and we'll be done for the night. But this morning we are back out here to keep working on it. The Ocean Broad flooring looks absolutely incredible. The camo looks really good, doesn't it? You like it, don't you? Yeah. So today we are going to get the front hinge put on, the lid. We're going to get the middle flooring section screwed down. And my little helper wants to help today, so you're going to help me put some screws and stuff in?
Yeah!
You are? And then we're going to go get pizza for lunch in a little bit, aren't we, from John's?
Yeah!
Yeah, she's really excited about that. So you guys stay tuned. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Turn the bell on so you always get notified of our videos. You guys sit tight and enjoy.
We are taking the boat out. What are we gonna do, sis?
We're going fish.
We're gonna fish. Wow. they are. I'm gonna be keeping up with Maverick the whole time. But we got the boat back there, and we are excited to try it out and put it in the water for the first time since fixing it up. And it's a muddy mess.
Sis, we should have brought your bad shoes.
So
I should have brought my bad shoes.
yeah, I was gonna change shoes before we left. They were gonna change shoes before we left, and none of us changed shoes. So this will be fun. It'll be fun. Let's look how bad it is. Yeah, it's pretty muddy. Oh boy. Okay, well, stay tuned. This should be fun. Oh, here it is. It's touching water. It's not floating yet, but we're getting the last little bit. He just put the trolling motor on. Here we go. Don't worry, we have life jackets for both kids and both adults. We're floating, kinda. We're leaning.
I need the boat paddle.
Oh, well, you didn't tell me that, or else I'd have got that out. Maverick does not like this. Oh gosh, you were shaking this like crazy. Whew. It's okay, bub. Okay, here we go. Just hope the the trolling motor keeps working.
Yeah, because if not, we'll be paddling back.
You'll be paddling back.
Oh, yeah. Well, we don't have to worry about.
Oh, is it not very deep?
No.
Oh.
Look. I guess it's deeper than I thought.
That's pretty deep.
I can touch.
Are you just not happy? Hi. You're okay. I know it's... Okay, hold on.
Where's Daddy going?
He's just gonna...
I feel like it worked better earlier.
Probably because there's more weight in there.
Daddy, because I cannot walk in it. Where's Daddy going? Where's Daddy going? Mom, where's Daddy going?
He's just gonna test out the boat.
Why? Why is it not going very fast? Why is it so quiet? I want to get in the truck. Mommy, I want to get that on your lap in the truck.
Hold on.
Hi, Daddy! Why is he not talking to me?
He waved to you.
Daddy! Why did you not say hi to me?
Hi, baby.
Hi, Daddy! Why is he very far away?
He just is.
Is he coming back to us?
Yeah.
Why?
Well, because it's time to go.
I sit on your lap in the truck.
No,
Why?
because you'll have to get in your car seat.
I don't want to sit on your lap in the truck.
Well, we are home and had dinner and put the kids to bed. It was an experience, that's for sure. And Maverick lasted a whole, 5 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. He screamed pretty much the whole time, and that's really our fault because it was dinner time, close to bedtime, and he was just ready to be done for the day. So, but the boat floats, and that's all that matters.
We didn't sing it yet.
We haven't sunk it yet. So that's our little adventure for the night, and hopefully we can take it out many more times or upgrade to something bigger. I don't know. We'll see what the future holds. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Bye!